that way y'all would get jobs at cars with D. Look at a 2024 MC20 by Maserati. This thing is super clean, guys. Let me show y'all guys around this thing. It do got a 3.0 L twin turbo V6, guys. Come with a 20-inch wheels. Let me show y'all guys around this thing. Of course, it say MC20 right here on the side. Super clean color. I love it, the color, guys. You talk about a nice sports car. This is a sports car, guys. Of course, guys, I want to show y'all how this thing open up. This is a full glimpse of the interior, guys. See, it's a suede. Got the blue trimming all the way through the seats, all the way down the seats. Love the way the blue going with the black. Super good combination with the interior, guys. This will price for $315,095. Wow, this thing nice, guys. Let me show y'all guys the inside. The inside got the black, like suede with the blue trimming. I love the way the blue go across the seats, guys. Got the racing seats. Got the Maserati symbol right there, guys. Of course, it say MC20 right here on the dashboard. This is how you put the car at drive and reverse mode at the center console right here. This thing is super clean, guys. You talk about a nice sports car that's different by Maserati. I love these things. I think it's only one I saw so far in Knoxville, guys. This thing is nice. Love the wheels on this thing too, guys. You got 245, 35 ZR20s. I love how the brake calipers look. The blue brake calipers, they say Maserati. The thing about Maseratis, guys, they got detail. They put detail into their cars, guys. Love the way this thing look. Of course, got the bench right here. Love it, this thing, guys. You talk about a different sports car. This is a different sports car. The MC20s is one of my favorite Maseratis, guys, too. Of course, this is where you put the car and start. You start the car right here, you push start button. Then you on launching. You see you got the launch button right here, guys. Love it, the suede interior of this thing, guys. Love the way it look pretty, guys. And of course, like I said, this is a 2024 brand new MC20. Thanks again, guys, for watching my channel. Stay tuned for more car videos, and thanks for watching.